In a world buzzing with social connections and digital interactions, the art of being likable unlocks doors to countless opportunities. Imagine walking into a room and, like a magnet, you draw people in. Your presence is a breath of fresh air, making everyone feel valued and heard. This isn't just about making friends or climbing the social ladder. It's about enriching your life and the lives of those around you. First off, let's debunk a myth. Being likable isn't about changing who you are. It's about enhancing what you already bring to the table. The secret sauce? It's not what you say, but how you make people feel. Ever noticed how some folks leave you feeling uplifted, even if they didn't say much? That's the power of emotional resonance. They're masters at making others feel important and seen, a trait that's golden. Here's a thought. Our brains are wired to seek connections that make us feel good. When someone listens to us, truly listens, it lights up our neural pathways like a Christmas tree. It's a simple yet profound truth. The most likable people know this. They listen more than they talk. They're genuinely curious about others, and they make every interaction count. But how do you make someone feel seen? Start with the basics. Eye contact, a nod, a smile. These are the universal signals of "I'm here with you." It's about being present. In today's world, where distractions are a dime a dozen, giving someone your undivided attention is a rare gift. Next, ditch the script. Forget about impressing with achievements or witty remarks. Authenticity beats perfection every time. Share your passions, yes, but also show interest in theirs. It's a two-way street. When you open up about your interests genuinely, you invite others to do the same, creating a bridge of mutual respect and understanding. Here's another key ingredient: positivity. It's contagious. By focusing on the positive, you create an aura that's hard to resist. This doesn't mean ignoring the realities of life, but choosing to highlight the good. It's about being a beacon of light in a sometimes gloomy world. Lastly, empathy. Walking a mile in someone else's shoes isn't just an old saying, it's a way of life for likable people. They understand that empathy builds connections deeper than any conversation could. It's about recognizing emotions and responding with kindness and understanding. In the grand scheme of things, being likable isn't about popularity. It's about making meaningful connections. It's about leaving people a little better than you found them. And guess what? The benefits are mutual. As you enrich the lives of those around you, you'll find your own life enriched in return. So take a moment to reflect. How do you make people feel? Are you listening? Truly listening? Are you present, authentic, positive, and empathetic? Remember, the journey to becoming more likable starts with a single step. And that step is choosing to be the best version of yourself, not just for you, but for everyone you meet along the way. As we navigate the complexities of human interactions, let's cherish the simple moments of connection, for in these moments we find the essence of likability. It's not about grand gestures, but the small acts of kindness that resonate long after the moment has passed. Be that person who lights up the room, not just with your words, but with your presence. In doing so, you'll discover that the secret to being more likable is in fact no secret at all. It's within us all, waiting to be shared.